I'm here to tell you about Team VB Enviro Care, the modern-day pathogen-fighting superhero who's helping to create a better quality of life for all of us. First, let's start with what pathogens are and how they're hurting our community. A pathogen is any virus, bacteria, or microorganism that can harm you. When you have a sore throat or fever, pathogen. Runny nose or upset stomach, pathogen. The pathogens are the bad guys. Next, let me introduce you to the sanitation guy. The sanitation guy thinks that he can get rid of the evil pathogens, but really all he can do is make the pathogens look good. Now let's meet the good guys, Team VB Enviro Care. First up are the Novaerus product names. These triplets suck in all of the dirty air full of pathogens and spit out clean, healthy air. The Defend is the strongest of the group. Then there is the Protects. They're small and sneaky, so they can catch the pathogens where they least expect it. Last is Steramist. Steramist sprays all of the surfaces to make sure no pathogens escape. He can reach all of the places Novaerus can't. Great job, team! Those pathogens never saw us coming. And just like that, Team VB Enviro Care is off, leaving a safe and healthy environment for the community. The team is off again to save the day from the evil pathogens. Remember, if you want to keep where you work, live, and play safe, Team VB Enviro Care is here to protect you.